Pre-employment screening. Have you ever been tricked into hiring the wrong person? Only to find out the know-it-all newly hire is an incompetent underperformer. Turned out the dazzling CV was carefully curated with exaggerated and fraudulent credentials. The last thing you want is to start your recruiting process all over. So, how to ensure you always hire the right person? And how do you spot a dishonest candidate? At Verity, our pre-employment screening can help you make smart hiring decisions. To get started, all we need is the job application form and consent agreement, then we can help verify the candidate's education background, confirm previous employments, and find out any unethical business activities or disputes. We can even validate professional qualifications and other credential verifications. Verity's accurate pre-employment screening services is committed to help companies recruit the right candidates. A true statement, Verity. Visit verity.com.hk for more information.